Hello everybody, welcome back. This is part 2 of Random Pack Rip. My name is Mike D and we are going to be opening up a Topps Pro Debut 2023 pack. Bought 3 of these at my local card shop and we're doing a 3-part series just to open these up. Random Pack Rips. Again, these are $3 per pack. Hobby box was around $70, I believe. And I saw these at the local card shop where it mentioned that there were 4 auto cards per hobby box. So there was 24 packs in a hobby box, and the odds of getting an autograph in one of these packs is about 1 in 10. So I bought 3 packs and I'm hoping for an auto. Didn't get one in the first round. Did get this Drew Jones. And some nicked up corners here, but good card nonetheless. So we're hoping for an auto, and let's get to it. All right. Again, Pro Debut came out a little bit ago. Okay, that's my Chrome card. A little bit ago, and Pro Debut focuses on minor league players. So as you can see, these are minor league team names. So we have Bruce Herbert, Cole Young, Drew Gilbert, there's our Chrome card, Trey Sweeney, and Benny Montgomery. All right, no auto in that one, but we'll try again. We got one more pack. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.